50% chance of thunder.
Lagi pula, Tuan Rogi bisa melakukan apapun yang dia inginkan. Apa itu?
Kau ini.
When you're feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was, hey, Vito.
It's not.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya es suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
When I changed the direction of my life, when I started Ms. Critter's Racing School!
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind. Whoa. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
He's done! Done? It's only been an hour.
Vegeta egg, Dozo. Come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting Junior.
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking for.
Just really wish Mater were here.
Francisco understands.
Oh great, here it comes.
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
That's enough. No questions, scusi. Out the way. Back up, back up.
Queen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
La grúa dijo recto. ¿Cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Thomas si pemadam kebakaran, siap sedia dan berani menyelamatkan.
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes! We have a free...
What's so great? A winner! Who'll be jamming now?
What just happened?
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Wait, excuse me.
It's to show you've been in rehab! Did you have a nervous breakdown, McQueen?
I'm sorry, what?
McQueen's wearing white wall!
Like that, folks. Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Nice call, Peter.
Ignore his drive to win.
And as always, in the second place spot, we find Chick Hicks. He's been chasing...
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your...
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat.
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.
Wild fear dead. He emerged 36 days later, running on a fuel he distilled himself from the...
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with mine...
quickly.
Speaking of recalls, you're getting up there in mileage, aren't you, Finn?
All right, I guess it. You both